Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to see the new lesson, that is organic chemistry, that is hydroxy compound, 11th lesson, hydroxy compound. First we are going to see the classification of alcohols. So before going to that, we already studied the hydrocarbon. What is mean by hydrocarbon? The carbon, the compound containing carbon and hydrogen, that is called as hydrocarbon, right? So first one is, that is what is mean by alcohol functional group. So the classification of alcohol, first we are going to see the what is the functional group of alcohol, that is OH, that is the functional group of alcohol. So it is very important in the so many role in our body. First one is the cholesterol is also contain alcohol functional group, and another one is retinol, and another one is vitamin A. So what is retinol? That is storage form of vitamin A. And another one is proper functioning alcohols, also industrial solvent, mainly it is used to prepare the ethyl alcohol, ethanol, and the additive of petrol and isopropyl alcohol, and screen cleanser, and also used for the injection. These are the hydroxyl group of alcohol. Again, it is converted into many other functional. First we are going to see the classification of alcohol. So the classification of alcohol, mainly it is classified two types, that is monohydric alcohol and polyhydric alcohol. What is monohydric alcohol? The compound containing only one hydroxyl group. So that is CH3, CH2, OH. That is ethanol. Okay, so that is ethanol. Again, another one is what is meant by polyhydric alcohol. That is, it is classified again three types: dihydric alcohol, dihydric, then trihydric, then trihydric alcohol, and another one is hexahydric alcohol. So what is meant by dihydric alcohol? That is called as glycol. So what is the formula of glycol? CH2OH, CH2OH. That is example. This is called glycol. So what is trihydric alcohol? So that is glycerol. So again CH2OH, then CHOH, then CH2OH. That is glycerol. So next one is what is meant by hexahydric alcohol. So that is, it is called as sorbitol. What is meant by sorbitol? First one is CH2OH, then CHOH, that is 4 times, then again CH2OH. What is the compound name? It is called as sorbitol. Okay, so this is the types of monohydric and the polyhydric alcohol. This monohydric alcohol, again it is classified as, this is OH group attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon, and another one is sp2 hybridized carbon. So before going to this classification, first we are going to see the how to naming this hydrocarbon, this hydroxy compound. First one is, we already studied the 11th standard. Once again I remember that. So number of carbon, what is the root word? What is the root word? Whether the compound is saturated, what is unsaturated? So number of carbon, what is the root word? Only one carbon means, that is only one carbon root word, that is meth, right? So 2 carbon means, that is root word eth. 3 carbon means, what is the root word? prop. 4 carbon means, what is the root word? but. 5 carbon means, what is the root word? That is pent. Okay, so this is the root word of this 5 carbon. So next one is whether the compound is saturated or unsaturated. What do you mean by saturated? The compound containing single bond, that is called as saturated. So that is saturated means the suffix contain, that is suffix end at ane. Okay, what is unsaturated? The compound containing double bond or triple bond. So this is called as single bond. This is double bond or triple bond. The suffix contain, double bond means E and E, triple bond means Y and E. Okay, so this is number of carbon, one means, that is meth. The suffix contain A and E. Okay, so first one is here. Again, what is the root word? So number of carbon. So number of carbon, CH4. What is the root word? That is only one carbon is the root word is meth. The compound is single compound, that is saturated. The suffix contain A and E. What is the compound name? Methane. Next one is CH3. So how many carbon? 2 carbon. What is the root word? Eth. The suffix contain A and E, that is ethane. So then 4 CH3, 4 carbon you can write like this. Okay, so each carbon containing 4 valency. So here 2 bonds are there, remaining 2. Here 2 bonds are here, remaining 2 hydrogen. Here only 1 bond, here remaining 3. What is the 4 carbon? What is the root word? 4 carbon means what is the root word? But. The compound containing only the single bond, the suffix contain A and E. Okay, so this is we already studied in the 11th standard. Now here, that is what is mean by first you can see the what is mean by primary alcohol, what is mean by secondary alcohol. One simple thing, just remember that the first one is primary alcohol. So here CH3, CH2, OH. The OH is combined with the CH2 molecule, that is called as primary alcohol. COHOL, this is primary alcohol. So what is mean by secondary alcohol? So that is CH3, CH, CH3. This is OH, that is called as secondary alcohol. So next one is what is mean by tertiary alcohol? The compound containing single carbon. So here CH3, here CH3, then OH, that is called as tertiary alcohol. So first how to identify? First one is primary. Primary means you can easily understand CH2 oda OH irunda, that is primary. What is mean by secondary? CH oda OH irunda, CH irunda, OH irunda, that is secondary. What is tertiary? That is only carbon only is there, no hydrogen, so it is called as tertiary. That is the primary, secondary and the tertiary. Okay, so this is how to naming this compound. What is the primary alcohol? What is the secondary alcohol? How to name this IUPAC name, compound name with a common name. So first we are going to see the what is meant by primary alcohol. So here how to naming this compound primary alcohol. So here that is what is the primary alcohol. How to naming this compound? So first one is I already told CH3, CH2, OH. How to naming this compound? 2 carbon. What is the root word? Eth, right? That is root word eth. The compound containing saturated plus suffix contain A and E. Functional group, that is OL. So you are adding that all that compound ethanol. Okay, so this is the first one, primary alcohol, that is ethanol. So next one is this is OH group attached with the alkyl group. What is mean by alkyl group? This is the so in this classification. So in this classification, that is OH group attached to the alkyl group. So that is what is mean by alkyl group, loss of hydrogen from the alkane compound. What is alkane compound? That is CH4, CH3, CH. So this is the alkane compound, loss of 1 hydrogen. So that is alkyl group, that is CH3. So this is called as methyl. So here that is CH3, CH2. That is called as ethyl. Okay, that is methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl. So these are all called as the alkyl group, right? So in this alkyl group, it is attached with this alcohol group, that is primary alcohol. So next one is what is mean by secondary alcohol. So what is mean by secondary alcohol? I already told the CH3 compound containing CH, CH3, CH, CH3, OH. Okay. So how to naming this compound? So this is the functional group. You give the priority. So that is 1, 2, 3. Okay. So that is how to naming this compound. That second position containing alcohol groups. That is 3 carbon. What is the root word? Prop. Prop. The compound is saturated AN. So second position containing propane to all. Okay, propane to all. The second position containing alcohol group functional group, the suffix contain OL. So that is propanol. So now what is meant by tertiary alcohol? So the tertiary alcohol, so again it is only single carbon, CH3, then OH, right? That is tertiary alcohol. How to write the name? Tertiary alcohol. So here, how to naming this compound? Which one is parent hydrocarbon chain? You give the priority. So that is 1, 2, 3. That is the longest hydrocarbon chain, right? So that is 1, 2, 3. Second position containing one methyl group and second position containing one alcohol group. How to naming this compound? First, more than 2, the functional group is coming. Suffix, the substitutional group is coming before this root word. So what is the root word here? That is prop. The compound is saturated propane. Okay, the which position? The second position containing alcohol group. So what is the before the root word? So 2 methyl. 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Okay, so this is the tertiary alcohol. So next one is OH group, it attaches to the allyl group. What is mean by allyl group? The compound containing double bond, that is called as allyl group. So here CH2 double bond CH, CH2 OH. How to naming this compound? So first functional group you give the priority, so that is your number 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 you write the name. So what is the root word? Prop. The compound is saturated or unsaturated? The compound is unsaturated because here double bond is there. So that is which position? The second position. So that is prop-2-ene. Okay, prop-2-ene. Then which position containing functional group? That is 1-ol. Okay, this is called as allyl group attached to alcohol group. Then another one is CH2 double bond CH and CH, CH, that is secondary allyl alcohol. So how to naming this compound again? So which one is this 1, 2, 3? That is wrong. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That is 4. That is bute, right? Bute, root word is bute. Which position containing saturated bute? 3-ene. 3-ene. Which position containing alcohol group? So that is 2-ol. Bute 3-ene 2-ol. Okay, so this is the another one. So next one is third one. So next one is CH2 double bond CH, then CH3, CH3 OH. That is tertiary, right? So how to naming this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this is the numbering this compound. So now this is coming before the root word, that is 2-methyl. This is coming after the root word. So that is 2-methyl. That is the substitutional group. 2-methyl, 4 carbon. What is the root word? That is bute. Bute, which position containing double bond? 3-ene. And second position containing 2-ol. Okay, so this is the functional group. This is the allyl group attached to that compound. Okay, so next one is benzyl group. What is benzyl group? That is the OH group attached to the benzyl group. So first one is C6H5 CH2OH. Okay, this is the phenyl group. So how to write the name? This is the IUPAC name. This one is called as phenyl. Phenyl. What is the one carbon means? What is the root word? Methanol. Okay, so next one is C6H5 CH CH3OH. So how to naming this compound? 1, 2. So 2 means eth, that is 1 phenyl. 1 phenyl ethanol. 2 carbon means that is called as ethanol. And another one is C6H5 C CH3, then CH3, then OH. So how to write? So 1, 2, 3. So second position containing, this is called as phenyl. So how to write? 2 phenyl, 2 phenyl propane 2-ol. Okay, so this is the IUPAC name of this OH group attached to benzyl group. Okay, so this is the another one. So next we are going to see the what is the IUPAC name nomenclature of hydroxy compound. So how to write the IUPAC name? So first one is isopropyl alcohol. First we are going to see the isopropyl alcohol. How to write? Isopropyl alcohol. How to write isopropyl alcohol? First one is CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2OH. This is called as, that is 3 carbon. What is the root word? That is propanol. Okay, propanol. This we can write. How to write? That is CH3 CH CH3OH. This is the common name is iso. So the second position containing, that is the secondary position, that is iso. 3 carbon means root word isopropyl alcohol. COHOL. This is alcohol. This is common name. Common name. IUPAC name we already know. So that is 1, 2, 3. The second position containing 2 propane 2-ol. That is the IUPAC name. Okay. So how to write the IUPAC name? What is the root word? At the then primary suffix, that is AN. Next one is tertiary butyl alcohol. What is tertiary butyl alcohol? Tertiary means that is single carbon, right? CH3, here CH3, here CH3, OH, right? So this is the tertiary alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol. How to tertiary butyl alcohol? So how tertiary means that is the single carbon. So 3 methyl alkyl group is there, that is called as, how to naming this compound? 1, 2, 3. So that is 2-methyl, propane, 2-all, propane, 2-all. Okay, so this is the another one. So next one is 5 carbon. So here that is CH3, here CH3, here CH3, then CH2OH. So that is single carbon containing 4 different group, that is called as neo. So one single carbon containing 4 remaining 4 carbon, that is called as neo. 5 carbon is neopentyl alcohol. So what is the common name? Neopentyl alcohol. Alcohol suffix la mudinjuduna, that is called as common name. So OL mudinjuduna, that is called as IUPAC name. We already know that. So that is neopentyl alcohol. How to write the IUPAC name? So 1, 2, 3. The second position containing 2-methyl, 2, 2 dimethyl propane 1-all. Okay, so this is the IUPAC name. Okay, so next one is isobutyl alcohol. So this is the CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. Okay, this is called as butyl alcohol. Butyl alcohol. This can be written, how to written? So that is CH3, CH, CH3, then CH2OH. So how to write the common name? Isobutyl. 4 carbon means isobutyl alcohol, COHOL. This is isobutyl alcohol. How to naming this compound? Again 1, 2, 3. So the second position containing methyl group, the 2-methyl 1 propane 1-all. Okay, propane 1-all. Okay, so this is the another one, isobutyl alcohol. So next one is again the same thing, benzyl alcohol. So that is, we already know that C6H5 CH2OH. How to naming this compound? Phenyl methanol. How to write the IUPAC name? So this is, we can write like this. So CH2OH, common, this is the IUPAC name. This is the common name, benzyl alcohol. So this is the IUPAC name of this compound. Okay, so this is the another one. So next one is allyl alcohol. What is meaning allyl alcohol? First one is allyl means the compound containing double bond. So that is CH2 double bond CH2OH. So the compound containing allyl alcohol. Okay, the compound containing triple bond means that is called as vinyl alcohol. So this is how to naming this compound? 1, 2, 3. What is the root word? Prop. Second position 2E 1-all. Okay, so this is the another one. So next one is, what is this compound name? Without the bond, that is called as cyclohexane. So okay, so that is cyclohexane. We already know that, right? So now you substitute one OH group. What is the compound name? Cyclohexyl alcohol. This is compound, common name. IUPAC name cyclohexanol. This is the IUPAC name. Okay, this is IUPAC name. This is the common name. Next one is, we already know that glycerol. Glycerol means that is 3 carbon CH2OH, CHOH, then CH2OH. So in your book the straight chain will be given. So this is the way you are writing. That is easy. It will be easy. That is called as glycerol. How to write the IUPAC name? 1, 2, 3. 1, that is, what is the root word? 3 means that is propane. 1, 2, 3. Triol. Okay, this is the IUPAC name, triol. Okay, the same thing, the CH2OH. CH2OH, CH2OH. What is the root word? Eth, right? Ethane, 1,2 diol. So 2 hydroxyl group is there, that is called as diol. Okay, so this is the another one. So next we are going to see the what is the structure of this functional group of this alcohol. Okay, so this is the structure of the functional group of the alcohol. sp3 hybridization. This is carbon containing 3 methyl group. So again it is linked with the OH group. So here that is oxygen containing 2 lone pair of electron. This carbon is the sp3 hybridization. It is linked with the oxygen with the linearly overlap with the carbon and oxygen is forming a sigma bond. Here again oxygen and hydrogen is also linear overlap to forming a sigma bond. According to VSEPR theory, 2 lone pair of electron is pull up that oxygen means it will bend in a V shape. So that is the bond angle reduced to 108.9 degree. Okay, so this is the structure of this primary alcohol. So this is the another one. Next we are going to see the what is the preparation of alcohol. How to prepare the alcohol. So how to prepare alcohol? First one is the alkyl halide. So what is meant by alkyl halide? So alkyl halide on heating with this aqueous sodium hydroxide. So that is sodium hydroxide to give primary alcohol. What is meant by alkyl halide? So here this is alkyl. This is called as halide. Alkyl halide reactive. So that is NaX will be removed and the ROH, that is primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. So this is the first preparation. So next we are going to see the addition of water across the double bond. So first one is preparation from the alkene compound. From alkene compound, how to prepare? First one is, what is this compound name? CH double bond CH2. What is this compound name? Propene. Okay, the compound name is propene. When react with water molecule in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. So what will this OH, HOH? This OH is coming to attach to the, according to the Markovnikov's rule. What is Markovnikov's rule? Less hydrogen atom is combined with that OH group. That is called as Markovnikov's rule. So this equation becomes CH3, CH, then CH3. So that is one OH, one H will be coming to this CH2 and another is coming to OH. So this is called as what is the component? Propane 2-ol. Okay, so this is the another one. So how to prepare alcohol from the Grignard reagent? What is meant by Grignard reagent? One alkyl group, one magnesium group, one the halogen group. That is alkyl magnesium halide. That is called as Grignard reagent. This is called as Grignard reagent. How to prepare primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol from the Grignard reagent? So when the Grignard reagent is react with methanol, ethanol and the acetone. So that is to form this compound. How it will be formed? First one is C6H5 MgBr. Okay, so that is phenyl magnesium bromide. What is the compound name? Phenyl magnesium bromide. Okay, phenyl magnesium bromide. Then react with the formaldehyde. So HCHO is the formaldehyde, right? Formaldehyde in the presence of ether. So what will be the form? So only this carbon. So instead of this hydrogen, C6H5. So this carbon. So here C6H5. Then again here 2H. Here 1H. Here another H. Then O, MgBr. Okay, just you are adding all the compound in this formaldehyde. Then again hydrolysis, follow H plus OH minus. So that is hydrolysis. What will happen? So here that is only one H attached to this one, remaining another OH is attached to MgBr. How to write? C6H5 CH2OH. So that is CH2OH. Then Mg, one is attached to Br and another is attached to OH. Okay, so this is the primary alcohol, phenyl benzyl alcohol. Okay, this is benzyl alcohol. So next we are going to see the secondary alcohol. So again is the ethyl magnesium bromide. So that is CH3 CH2 MgBr. So that is ethyl. So 2 carbon, that is ethyl magnesium bromide. Okay, this is ethyl magnesium bromide. Then react with acetaldehyde. What is the formula of acetaldehyde? CH3 CHO acetaldehyde. What will happen? The same thing. The carbon CH3 again react with CH3 CH2, right? CH3 CH2. So same thing. How to write? Here C, here CH3 CH2, the top is again CH3, again here 1H, then O MgBr. So what is the next step? Hydrolysis followed by H plus OH minus. What will the answer? CH3 CH2 CH CH3 OH. That is the secondary alcohol. Then MgBr, then OH. Okay, so this is the another one. This is called as secondary alcohol. How to naming this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. Buten 2-ol. Okay, so this is the another one. So next one is tertiary alcohol. How to write the second tertiary alcohol? CH3 CH2 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 MgBr. So this is in your textbook, the simplify, right? CH2 thrice. Okay, so then again it is acetone, CH3 CO CH3. Okay, this is what is the compound name. This is acetone. Another name of this compound, 3 carbon means propane, propanone. Okay, so when again it will in the presence of ether, what will happen? So again the same thing, carbon CH3 CH2 thrice, then here one CH3, again another CH3 OMgBr, then again followed by hydrolysis H plus OH minus. What will happen? So remaining everything is there, CH3 CH2 thrice, then carbon CH3, here CH3, then OH. That is tertiary alcohol. Then MgBr, then OH. Okay, so this is the another one, MgBr, then OH. This is the another one. This is, what is this compound name? N-butyl magnesium bromide. So another one is with the identical alkyl group. Formate ester is used to also prepare the secondary alcohol, ester group. So again methyl magnesium bromide, that is methyl magnesium bromide. Again acetate, ethyl form ethanoate. So that is C double bond O CH2 CH3. So that is ethyl ethanoate, only 1 carbon, ethyl methanoate. So methanoate, ethyl, only 1 carbon, methanoate. Again in the presence of ether solvent, ether, and the followed by hydronium ion, that is hydrolysis, right? H plus OH minus. So here, that is, here no addition like that. CH, that is the secondary alcohol. Then again MgBr OCH2 CH3. Okay, so this is the another one, OCH2 CH3. This is the preparation of Grignard reagent using this alcohol. So this is the first one. So next one is preparation alcohol from the hydroboration. Next one is hydroboration. What is mean by hydroboration? When diborane react with the alkene to form the trialkyl borane. So here first one is CH3 CH double bond CH2. What is this compound name? Propene. Okay, that is propene. 6 molecular propene react with diborane, B2H6. We already studied, right? Diborane. So here react with to form the tripropyl borane. So that is CH3 CH2 CH2 thrice borane. That is called as tripropyl borane. Tripropyl propyl borane. Tripropyl borane. So this again it is on hydrogen peroxide. This tripropyl borane CH3 CH2 CH2 thrice borane. So again it is react with hydrogen peroxide. 3 molecule of hydrogen peroxide, here 2 molecule. So here what will happen? So OH minus is liberated to form the propyl alcohol CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. Then boron trihydroxide. So again boron hydroxide, trihydroxide. So what is the compound M3 mean? That is propane 1-ol. Okay, so this is the another one. So next we are going to see the what is the reduction of carbonyl compound. What is mean by reduction? This reduction of aldehyde ketones with reduction. So reduction of carbonyl compound. So reduction in the presence of lithium, aluminium hydride. In the presence of solvents like tetrahydrofuran. So what is the compound name? Tetrahydrofuran. Tetrahydrofuran. Okay. So how it will be? Primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and the tertiary alcohol. How it will be reduced? So first one is acetone. So when acetone, what is the formula of acetone? CH3, C double bond O, CH3. That is the acetone. Again it is reduced with lithium, aluminium hydride and the water molecule, right? So what is the reason? So how it will be reduced? Again it is converted into primary alcohol. That is the secondary alcohol CH3, CH, CH3, OH. What is this compound name? Propane 2-ol. Okay, so next one is benzoic acid. What is benzoic acid? Again C6H5, COOH, lithium, aluminium hydride, then H2O. So again C6H5, CH2OH. Okay, so benzoic acid converted into phenyl methanol. So benzyl alcohol. What is the compound name? Benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. This is acetone. Okay, so the benzoic acid is reduced to benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. Then again, so CH3, COO, CH2, CH3. What is the compound name? Ethyl ethanoate. So ethyl ethanoate. Ethyl ethanoate. Again it will reduced into lithium, aluminium hydride, then H2O, CH3, CH2OH, ethyl alcohol, that is called as ethanol. Okay, so next one is another one, crotonaldehyde, butyl alcohol, CH3, CH double bond, CH, CHO, that is aldehyde. So this is aldehyde functional group. This is called as, how to naming this compound? But 1, 2, 3, 4. Second but 2E, 1Al. That is butanol. Okay, so that is 2E. Second position containing double bond. So that is one aldehyde group. So that is butanol. So how to write this? Again it will reduce to lithium, aluminium hydride. That is, this is compound name. This is IUPAC name. What is the common name? Crotonaldehyde. Crotonaldehyde. Okay, so the crotonaldehyde, it will reduce into crotyl alcohol. So that is CH double bond CH OH, CH2, CH double bond CH, then CH2 OH. Okay, so this is called as crotyl alcohol. Okay, so this is the another one. So next one, suppose more than 2 functional group, how it will be reduced? So that is reduced with the sodium borohydride. So that is example RCO, CH2, CH2, COOH. What is the functional group? This is carboxyl group is there. That is keto group is there, right? So how it will be reduced? Again sodium borohydride. Okay. So then again H3O plus. What will happen? Again this or CHOH. Then remaining CH2, CH2, COOH. So how to write the name? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, more than 2 functional group, what is the, which one you give the priority? So that is COOH, you give the first priority. So that is this OH group is come to a substitutional group. So how to naming this compound? That is the 4 carbon. So what is the root word? Bute. Okay. So the fourth position containing, this is alkyl group. So 4 alkyl. Then fourth position containing 4 hydroxy. Bute 1-oic acid. Butanoic acid. Okay. So hydroxy butanoic acid. Okay, so this is the another one, butanoic acid. So next one is preparation of glycol. Preparation of glycol. So that is again ethene. So how to write? Ethene, CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2O, ethene, in the presence of cold alkaline KMnO4. Cold alkaline KMnO4. So what is glycol? So that is CH2OH, then CH2OH. So common name is glycol. IUPAC name 2 carbon means ethane, 1,2 diol. So 2 alcohol functional group, that is diol. Okay, so this is the preparation of glycol. So next one is preparation of glycerol. How to prepare glycerol? Again it will be glyceryl palmitate, that is 17 hydrocarbon, 17 carbon chain is there, that is the palmitate. CH2O, C double bond O, palmitate, CH2, 40, then CH3. Then again CHO, C double bond O, CH2, 40, CH3. Then again CH2O, C double bond O, CH2, 40, CH3, and react with 3 molecule of NaOH. When heating, what will happen? This OH, that is H, will be coming to this position. This will be liberated as a glycerol. So how it will be glycerol? So that is CH2OH, CHOH, then CH2OH. That is called as glycerol. What is the common name of this compound? 3 carbon means propane, 1,2,3 triol. Okay, so this is the another one. So next one. So what remaining compound, what will be there? So that is 3 molecule of NaO. NaO, remaining all these compounds, C double bond O, C double bond O, then CH2, 40, then CH3. Okay, so this is the another one. This is the palmitate, sodium palmitate. This is called as glycerol. Okay, so these are all the preparation of alcohol. Next we are going to see the methods of differentiation of primary secondary alcohol. We'll see the next video. Okay, thank you children.